YouTube, back with another food review, man. Got some new Krispy Kreme donuts that just released from the, I believe it's called the Let Freedom Ring donuts. We're gonna try this one right here. It's a blue one. This one is called, I believe this one is called the, man, what this donut called? I think they call this one the Firework Ring. Yeah, I think this is called the Firework Ring. So we're gonna try this one right here. Y'all see it? So let's try it. Good donut. Yeah, it's definitely a 4th of July donut. I rate this donut, I give it a solid 8 out of 10. Really good. Solid donut. 8 out of 10. Anyway, no food review. This thing, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Keep watching these videos, man. More on the way. You know. Next thing, guys. Peace.